Most people get this wrong. They think a good credit score is one fixed number, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is treating all credit ranges the same. In this video, you'll learn exactly what a good credit score is in 2026 and what it actually means for your financial life. Let's start with the simple truth. A credit score is a number that shows how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Lenders use it to decide if you are risky or reliable. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A good credit score is not the same for everyone, but in 2026 most scoring models like FICO still use a similar range. Generally, a score between 670 and 739 is considered good. Anything above that becomes very good, and 800 plus is excellent. But here's the problem. Many people think 670 is amazing when in reality it is just the starting point of good, not elite approval territory. Let's break it down in real-life terms. For someone like Alex, a 620 score might mean loan rejections or high interest rates. At 700, he starts getting approved more easily. At 750, he sees better rates. At 800, he gets top-tier offers. So the difference is not just numbers. It is money saved or lost. Now let's talk about what actually builds a good score. First, payment history. This is the most important factor. One late payment can slow your progress significantly. Second, credit utilization. For Jake, keeping his usage low, ideally under 30% and even better under 10%, helps maintain a strong score. Third, credit age. Older accounts build trust over time. That is why closing old accounts can sometimes hurt your score even if you do not use them. In a minute, I'll explain how beginners can build a good credit score from zero without feeling overwhelmed. Fourth, credit mix. Having different types of credit like credit cards or installment loans can help, but it is not required for a good score. It just adds strength over time. Fifth, new credit activity. Too many applications in a short time can temporarily lower your score due to hard inquiries. Now here's the key idea most people miss. A good credit score is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Lenders want to see stable, predictable behavior over time. For John, even simple habits like paying on time and keeping balances low created steady improvement without any complicated strategy. Let's simplify everything. A good credit score in 2026 is typically 670 and above. But what really matters is how you manage payments, credit usage, and time. If you focus on those three things, your score naturally moves into the good and even excellent range. Let's summarize everything clearly. A good credit score means reliability, low risk, and consistent financial behavior. The higher you go, the better your loan approvals and interest rates become. If this helped you understand what a good credit score really means, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit guides like this.